What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. We got a lovely day here, so we're gonna throw on some lovely steaks. We got the big green egg just starting to heat up real nice. Oh yeah, I hear the crackling. I'm gonna throw the place setter on, the grid on. We're gonna reverse sear these bad boys, and then I'm gonna remove the place setter. So we're gonna basically smoke it up to about 120, 125. We're gonna remove it, we're gonna get a nice sear on it. So super pumped, stay tuned. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take our steak out of the fridge. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of duck fat. And we're gonna sprinkle some Lane's brisket on top. And we're gonna rotate it and do the same on the remaining sides. All right, so now we're gonna hit it with, we've done that on all the sides, we're gonna hit it with some of that guys, AP rub as well, just a little bit of that. Just give it that nice complex flavor. Beautiful. Those are some awesome looking strips. Let's go. We got those steaks on, reverse searing. So we're gonna smoke that first, and then we're gonna sear the heck out of it. All right, so we removed the steak. We're just letting that sit for a few moments while we took the convector off. We also made ourselves a sweet little potato dish here. All we did was we halved some mini potatoes. We covered them in some duck fat with some of that same brisket seasoning, as well as the AP rub that we have. Threw a little bit more cheese on top and have ourselves an awesome looking potato meal, or potato side. All right, so we had them searing up at around 600 degrees. Threw some potatoes on there as well. Favorite potato recipe, duck fat with some cheese. Oh baby, these things are seared awesome. All right, we let the steak rest. Now we're gonna slice into it. Beautifully cut steak. Look at that. The fat, the moisture, everything has been reabsorbed by the meat. There's nothing coming out on the cutting board here. Got a beautiful char outside. That, my friends, is how you do steak.